In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Google AI Studio. So firstly, open up Google AI Studio. So just go to your website, just open up the official Google AI Studio. So I've logged into my account here. So now we are that in the studio here. To change language, what you have to do is simply translate it. So once you've logged in here, just right click on anywhere on the screen, right click it, and then you will see there's an option called Translate to English. Click on it. And then here, detected language, it's already in English, that's fine. But to change it to other language, click on the three dots next to it. Click on it and then click on choose another language. And from the drop down menu here, click on that box to open up the drop down menu. So here, choose the language where you want to change it to. All right, just choose that. So choose any language from here. So for example, let's say Chinese. So choose a language. So for example, yeah, Chinese or even Dutch. We'll just choose that, hit on translate. So now you can see that the language is now changed here. So everything is now, it's in Dutch here, has been changed. So this is how you change the language. If you want to switch it back again, so what you can do, you can simply click on the same thing again, right click, hit on translate, and then from the Dutch option here, just click on the three dots and then choose another language. From the drop down menu, choose what language you want to change it to, or if you want to change it to English, so you can just choose English and hit on translate, and there you go, it's back to English now. And that's pretty much it is.